Welcome to AmpleBlaze's video tutorial on how to enable certain features for Drive File Stream and Google Drive for your corporate business accounts. Now, this was a feature brought out by Google in 2021, late 2021, and what we're going to show you is some of the features that they've brought out, but specifically how you can lock your Google File Stream and Google Drive to organization devices. Not going to enable this for myself, but I'm just going to show you where it is. So technically this is where it is, but I'll show you how to get there. So get into your admin console, go across to apps, and then go down to Drive and Docs, and then you'll see a bunch of settings here. Go down until you see Features and Application. Click on that, you'll get a bunch of options here. And these are some of the default options that you'll see here. Now, for me, because we've already upgraded from the Google Drive file stream to Google Drive now, so they've just changed the name. That setting is basically here. Allow Google Drive for desktop in your organization. So that's on. We're going to leave it on, and then just show you some of the other settings here. So these are on by default. You can decide to turn them off if you like. Now the only thing that I'm going to turn off is with Drive within the AmpleBlaze domain. I don't want them to be able to download the backup and sync program, because they should be able to just have Google Drive itself. So you've got three options here. Allow users to download, install, and use backup and sync. Allow use of backup and sync, but hide the download links in the Drive interface. Do not allow backup and sync in the organization. So I'm going to say that. And then it does say about a few minutes for this effect to take changes. But I normally just say, look, 24 hours and you'll be good. So I've made that change. Hit save. And that's it. Your settings have been saved. So the rest of it is basically down here. So if you need to have a look at where this is all hiding, you've got to go into Apps, Google Workspace, Settings for Drive and Docs, Features and Applications, and then you've got your list here. So the only one that I wanted to make a change on is this Drive. Don't want to download backup and sync. Now, just to elaborate about my reasoning, is backup and sync is for any Google Drive that's outside of an organization. So if you've got a normal @gmail.com account, you will be downloading backup and sync and not Google Drive. So Google Drive is, as I said, for the corporate environment for businesses. If you have any questions at all for this or need help in regards to this, by all means get in touch with us. info@ampleblaze.com, or give us a buzz. You can find all our details on our website. Thanks for watching.